Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Talks. I'm so glad you're here with me today because the topic we're about to dive into can literally change the course of your life. We're going to talk about something very important, 10 traps that destroy your 20s. Yes, your 20s, this golden decade, this powerful stage of life where your choices, your habits, and your mindset create the foundation for your future. Some people waste this time, some people get trapped, and some people build themselves into someone unstoppable. The difference is not luck. The difference is awareness, action, and mindset. So today I want you to listen carefully. I want you to see if you recognize yourself in any of these traps. And remember, the purpose of this talk is not to make you feel bad. It's not to make you think, "Oh, I've already wasted my time." No. The purpose is to open your eyes, to wake you up, and to push you to rise above these traps before they control you. So let's begin. The first trap that destroys your 20s is the trap of comparison. You scroll through Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. What do you see? People traveling the world, buying luxury cars, wearing expensive clothes, showing their six-pack abs, or living what looks like a dream life. And what happens in your mind? You start comparing. You start thinking, why am I not like that? Why am I behind? Why am I not successful already? Let me tell you something, comparison is poison. It kills your motivation, it steals your focus, and it makes you blind to your own path. Everyone's journey is different. Some people peak at 20, others peak at 40. Some start with rich parents, some start with nothing. But the trap is, instead of working on your growth, you spend hours looking at someone else's highlight reel. If you fall into this trap, you will never build your own story. So what's the solution? Focus on your lane. Compete with yourself. Ask yourself daily, am I better than yesterday? That is the only comparison that matters. The second trap is the trap of comfort. Your 20s should be the time you push yourself the hardest. But what do many people do? They stay comfortable. They spend hours on Netflix, scrolling endlessly, eating junk, wasting nights on parties that don't matter, sleeping till noon. It feels good in the moment, but slowly comfort eats away your potential. The truth is, growth never happens in comfort. Your muscles grow when they are stretched. Your mind grows when it is challenged. Your career grows when you take risks. If you always choose the easy road, your 20s will pass and you'll wake up at 30 wondering where the time went. So the next time you feel lazy, remind yourself, comfort now creates regret later, but struggle now creates freedom later. The third trap is the trap of waiting. Many young people think, I'll start later. I'll work on my dreams later. I'll get serious later. They wait for the perfect time, but let me tell you, the perfect time never comes. If you keep waiting, opportunities will pass, doors will close, and regret will grow heavier. Life doesn't wait. The truth is, your 20s are the best time to start. You have fewer responsibilities, you have energy, you can take risks. Waiting is a silent killer. Every day you wait, you lose momentum. So ask yourself, what dream, what project, what goal am I delaying? Start today. Even small steps are powerful when done consistently. The fourth trap is the trap of negative people. Who are you spending time with? Because the people around you shape your habits, your beliefs, and your energy. If your circle is lazy, unmotivated, and toxic, slowly you become the same. Maybe you hang out with friends who gossip all day, complain about everything, drink every night, or laugh at your goals. At first it seems harmless, but over time their negativity pulls you down. Your 20s are too precious to waste with people who don't want to grow. You need to protect your energy. Spend time with people who inspire you, who push you, who challenge you to be better. And if you don't have such people around you, don't be afraid to walk alone. It's better to walk alone than to walk in the wrong direction with the wrong crowd. The fifth trap is the trap of financial irresponsibility. So many people in their 20s make money and spend it all. Expensive clothes, the latest gadgets, luxury parties, eating out every day. They live paycheck to paycheck thinking, I'll save later. But here's the truth, habits build now. If you cannot save or invest when you earn a little, you will not magically do it when you earn a lot. Financial discipline in your 20s sets you free in your 30s and 40s. If you ignore this, you'll find yourself trapped in debt, stressed about bills, and working jobs you hate just to survive. Start small. Learn about money. Save a part of your income, invest in yourself, invest in skills, invest in knowledge. Money can be your tool, or it can be your prison. You decide. The sixth trap is the trap of ignoring health. In your 20s, you feel energetic. You feel like nothing can harm you. So you eat junk food, drink too much, sleep irregularly, skip exercise. It doesn't show immediately, but slowly your body pays the price. By the time you reach your late 20s or 30s, you feel tired, overweight, unhealthy, and regretful. Remember, your body is your vehicle. If it breaks down, your dreams will collapse too. Prioritize your health now. Exercise, eat clean, sleep well, and respect your body. A strong mind lives in a strong body. The seventh trap is the trap of unhealthy relationships. Some people waste their entire 20s chasing toxic love, staying in relationships that drain their energy, or begging for someone's attention who doesn't respect them. Love is beautiful, but love should not destroy your peace. Your 20s are the time to build yourself, not to lose yourself for someone else who doesn't even care. A toxic relationship can distract you from your goals, lower your confidence, and even break your spirit. Choose wisely. Be with people who support your growth, not people who kill your dreams. And remember, it's better to be single and strong than to be in a relationship that makes you weak. The eighth trap is the trap of ignoring skills. Some people focus only on having fun, on surviving, on just passing exams, but they never learn real skills that build their future. Skills are what make you valuable. Communication, leadership, technology, creativity, problem solving. These are the weapons that make you unstoppable in your career and life. If you ignore skills in your 20s, you'll struggle later, because the world is moving fast. Jobs change, industries change, technology changes. If you are skillless, you will be helpless. But if you keep learning, if you invest in skills, you will always stay powerful. The ninth trap is the trap of blaming. So many young people spend their 20s blaming others. They blame their parents, their country, their teachers, the government, their boss. They say, I can't succeed because of them. But blame changes nothing. It only steals your power. When you blame, you hand over control of your life to others. The truth is, yes, maybe life is unfair. Maybe you didn't get the same opportunities as others. But if you keep blaming, you will stay stuck. Take responsibility, even if it's not your fault. Make it your responsibility to rise above. That's how winners are made. The 10th trap is the trap of not knowing yourself. Many people spend their 20s chasing what society tells them, what their parents want, or what looks cool on social media. They never stop to ask, what do I really want? Who am I? What kind of life do I want to build? This is the most dangerous trap. Because if you don't know yourself, you'll spend years running in the wrong direction. Your 20s are the best time to explore, to try, to experiment, to learn about yourself. Don't live someone else's dream. Find your own. Because success without self-awareness feels empty. Now, my friends, these are the 10 traps that can silently destroy your 20s. But here's the good news. You don't have to fall into them. Awareness is power. If you are listening to this right now, you are already ahead of many people, because you are choosing to grow, to think, to reflect. The key is not just listening. The key is action. Start today. Break free from comparison. Escape comfort. Stop waiting. Protect your circle. Manage your money. Respect your health. Choose love wisely. Build skills. Take responsibility. And above all, know yourself. Your 20s are not for wasting, they are for building. They are the time to create the foundation of a powerful future. If you are strong now, disciplined now, focused now, your 30s and 40s will be amazing. But if you fall into these traps, your future will be filled with regret. So the choice is yours. Will you let these traps destroy your 20s? Or will you rise, break free, and use this decade to design the life of your dreams?